That's not Sonic. That's McDonald's, chat. It's not Sonic. I know a Sonic burger.
Answer.
Please let me get one wrong.
Whose burger is this?
That's Sonic.
Answer. Whose burger is this?
Burger King.
Answer.
Oh no.
Whose burger is this?
That's Red Robin.
Answer. Whose burger is this?
You know what? I don't know. You know what? I literally don't know. I'm gonna guess and say that it looks like something that would come from like Whataburger or something. Please let me be wrong.
Answer.
No!
Whose burger is this?